I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Laravel versus VS Code. It's important to understand that Laravel is a powerful PHP web application framework, providing a structured foundation for building robust applications. Visual Studio Code, on the other hand, is a versatile and lightweight source code editor. They serve entirely different, yet complementary, purposes in the development process. We'll explore how each excels in its domain and how they work together seamlessly. Laravel truly shines as a comprehensive framework, offering an elegant syntax that simplifies complex web development tasks. It comes packed with features like its eloquent ORM for database interaction, robust routing, and built-in authentication, saving developers countless hours. This powerful ecosystem allows for rapid application development, enabling you to build sophisticated web applications with remarkable efficiency and maintainability. Visual Studio Code stands out as an incredibly efficient and customizable code editor. Its extensive marketplace offers thousands of extensions, providing excellent support for PHP, Laravel, and other web technologies. Features like intelligent code completion, powerful debugging tools, and integrated Git control significantly boost productivity. Its lightweight design ensures a smooth coding experience, making it a top choice for many developers. Ultimately, Laravel and VS Code are not competing tools. They are powerful allies in your development workflow. Think of Laravel as the blueprint and construction crew for your web application, while VS Code is the advanced toolkit you use to craft every detail. The most effective approach is to harness Laravel's architectural strengths within the highly productive and customizable environment that Visual Studio Code provides, optimizing your entire development process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.